Feeling that pinch before payday? We've all been there. That unexpected bill, a sudden expense, or just needing a little extra to tide you over until your next salary lands. Many people turn to services like Beforepay for a quick cash advance, and while it serves a purpose, is it truly the best option out there for managing those short-term financial gaps? What if there's something better? Beforepay is a popular pay-on-demand service in Australia, allowing users to access a portion of their earned wages before their official payday. It's designed to be quick, convenient, and to bridge those gaps without traditional credit checks. They typically charge a flat 5% transaction fee on the advanced amount, with no interest or late fees. For instance, if you borrow $100, you pay back $105. It sounds straightforward, and for many, it's a lifeline. However, relying on it too frequently can still create a cycle of borrowing, and that 5% fee, while seemingly small, can add up over time if you're using it regularly. Plus, it caps the amount you can borrow, usually up to $2,000, and is generally limited to salaried employees with consistent pay. So, if you're looking for more flexibility, lower costs, or simply different features, what are the alternatives that might be better than Beforepay? Let's explore some key categories and specific examples. Firstly, if you're in Australia, apps like WageTap and MyPayNow are direct competitors offering similar pay-on-demand services. WageTap, for example, allows you to access up to $2,000 of your next pay with a one-time fee, and they also offer a bill split feature to help manage larger expenses by breaking them into smaller payments. MyPayNow similarly offers instant access to your earned wages, emphasizing speed and ease of use. While their fee structures might vary slightly from Beforepay's 5%, it's worth comparing them closely to see which offers a better deal for your typical borrowing habits. Some may have slightly different interest models or service fees, so always read the terms carefully. Beyond direct competitors, consider broader categories of financial tools. Earned wage access, EWA, platforms, often partnered with employers, are becoming increasingly popular. Apps like EarnIn, though more prevalent in the US, similar models exist globally, allow you to access a portion of your earned wages as you work, often with no interest and sometimes even no mandatory fees, relying on optional tips. The advantage here is that the integration with your employer can sometimes lead to more seamless and cost-effective access to your money. Then there are general cash advance apps that might offer slightly different structures. Some, like Bridget or Dave, again, more US-centric examples but illustrative of the type of service, combine cash advances with budgeting tools and overdraft protection features. While they might have subscription fees or express funding fees, they often aim to provide a more holistic financial management experience rather than just a one-off advance. The key is to look for transparency in their fees and to understand how often you truly benefit from their additional features. For larger, but still short-term, needs, small personal loans from online lenders like Nimble or Society One in Australia could be an option. While these involve credit checks and interest, they often offer more substantial amounts and longer repayment periods, making them suitable for bigger, unexpected expenses that a typical cash advance might not cover. However, it's crucial to ensure you can comfortably meet the repayment schedule to avoid falling into debt. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, look at preventative measures and financial planning tools. What if you didn't need a cash advance in the first place? Many banking apps and standalone budgeting tools offer spending insights, bill tracking, and savings goals. Building an emergency fund, even a small one, can significantly reduce the reliance on external services when unexpected costs arise. Look for apps that help you visualize your cash flow, identify spending patterns, and even automate small savings transfers. This proactive approach can be the ultimate better than Beforepay solution. Ultimately, what's better than Beforepay depends on your individual circumstances, how frequently you need access to funds, and what other financial tools you already use. It's about finding a solution that not only bridges the gap but also supports your long-term financial health, ideally reducing your need for short-term fixes over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.